Hi guys, welcome back. I just thought I'd share quickly how I'm storing some of my mixed media stuff. This is actually on my desk, excuse the mess under there, but where you would have hopefully seen that video first, but whichever order these are in. And it's just a set of Alex drawers next to my desk, and I have my Tim Holtz distress paints. I have some other acrylic paints. I have some sprays in here. I also have like the alcohol blending solution, although my alcohol inks are in a different place, but it just, the bottle stands up here. Some other sprays from other companies, distress sprays, resist spray, that kind of stuff in here. Loose glitter. I don't have a ton of loose glitter, but that's there. And then in the back I have a couple of, these are ice cream tubs, but I have some bigger, what do you call them, like squeezy bottles of paint and acrylic paint. And then these are like things that I would need, like gloves, and this thing is I use for like paint pouring, just for different effects and things like that, and sponges and stuff I think I'd use with mixed media kind of things. And then if I go to the next one, so this is also the deeper rather than the shallower drawers. The next one also has more of that kind of thing, but I have my big tubs of gesso in here, the black and the white. I do have my distress crayons in here. They're the only ones I own, but they're the, for me, they're the most useful color wise, because I can use them on just about anything. And then I have like texture paste, all my distress textures and grit pastes, and what are these, collage mediums, and then I have Nouveau. What are these ones? These are the glacier pastes. That's the word, I couldn't think of it. And some Nouveau glimmer pastes. I can't talk. The embellishment mousses that I have. My new Glitz glitter gel, which you would have seen a new video on that already. I think. Yeah. And then I also have my gilding flakes. I figured this stuff kind of made sense to keep it together, because I will probably use, I mean, most of this is kind of like paste stuff, so that makes sense. These just came in here instead of the paint drawer because, well, they didn't fit in there, so that's why they're on the next one down. And then this is actually just a Systema, I can't say the word, tub, it doesn't have to be that brand, of sea salt, because there's a cool technique that I will at some point show you guys how to do with distress ink. That was a lot of words. Anyway, I do have some, I do have some gilding flake, flake and glitter glue specifically. And then this is a piece of a Rub It Scrub It from Ranger that I use to rub off the excess gilding flakes when I use that. So I will try and do a video on that at some point and get to using it, because I've got it and there's loads of it in this tub. Look at it, huge tub, and it weighs like nothing. But anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this, guys. That's just a little insight as to where I store my mixed media stuff, and I will see you in the next one.